Hello everyone, welcome to Jano TV. First question, which country hosted the 60th BRICS Summit in 2024? A. India, B. China, C. Brazil, D. Russia. The correct answer is option D. Russia. Next question, when was BRICS established? A. 2009, B. 2007, C. 2005, D. 2006. The correct answer is option D. 2006. Next question. Which edition of BRICS Summit 2024 was held? A. 12th, B. 14th, C. 16th, D. 18th. The correct answer is option C. 16th. Next question. When was the BRICS Summit 2024 held? A. October 22 to 24, B. August 15 to 17, C. September 24th to 26, D. November 27 to 28. The correct answer is option A. October 22 to 24. Next question. Which country hosted the first BRICS Summit in 2009? A. India, B. China, C. Brazil, D. Russia. The correct answer is option D. Russia. Next question. In which year the BRICS formed as BRICS? A. Year 2009, B. Year 2007, C. Year 2005, D. Year 2010. The correct answer is option D. In the year 2010. Next question. How many countries were in the first BRICS Summit held in 2009? A. 6, B. 5, C. 4, D. 7. The correct answer is option C. 4. Next question. How many new countries will be included in the BRICS group in 2024? A. 6, B. 5, C. 4, D. 7. The correct answer is option A. 6. Next question. Who attended the BRICS Summit 2024 from India? A. Amit Shah, B. S. Jaishankar, C. Narendra Modi, D. Rajnath Singh. The correct answer is option C. Narendra Modi. Next question. Which country will host the 17th BRICS Summit in 2025? A. India, B. China, C. Brazil, D. Russia. The correct answer is option C. Brazil. Next question. How many countries are there in BRICS? A. 6, B. 5, C. 8, D. 9. The correct answer is option B. 5 countries. Next question. What is the name of the Bank of BRICS countries? A. Asian Development Bank, B. World Bank, C. New Development Bank, D. BRICS Bank. The correct answer is option C. New Development Bank. Next question. How many times India chaired the BRICS Summit? A. 2, B. 5, C. 1, D. 3. The correct answer is option D. 3 times. Next question. Which country has announced the launch of the BRICS startup firms? A. India, B. China, C. Brazil, D. Russia. The correct answer is option A. India. Next question. Which is the only African country a permanent members of BRICS? A. Ethiopia, B. South Africa, C. Libya, D. Algeria. The correct answer is option B. South Africa. Next question. Where is the headquarters of BRICS? A. Shanghai, B. Kazan, C. New Delhi, D. Johannesburg. The correct answer is option A. Shanghai. Next question. Where was the 15th BRICS 2024 held? A. Beijing, B. Moscow, C. New Delhi, D. Johannesburg. The correct answer is option D. Johannesburg. Next question. Who chaired the BRICS Summit 2024? A. Narendra Modi. B. Xi Jinping. C. Vladimir Putin. D. Cyril Ramaphosa. The correct answer is option C. Vladimir Putin. Next question. Who was the first Indian Prime Minister to attend BRICS Summit? A. Narendra Modi. B. Manmohan Singh. C. Jawaharlal Nehru. D. Indira Gandhi. The correct answer is option A. Narendra Modi. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.